We're going to a coffee shop here in Antong and we'll do some tasting. Ganda ng restaurant na to dito sa Antong. Itong Antong, ito yung kung saan maraming expats here in Danang. Tsaka may pating galing naghalo yung koi tsaka pating Oy, parang nurse shark. Kakain ulit tayo? Kakain ba tayo ulit? Coffee lang? Okay. Uy, ang ganda ng place na to Coffee shop lang to. Ganda. Ganda naman ang ambience ng coffee shop na to. Grabe. Imagine, coffee shop. May explanation pa
brewing. Okay.
Yeah. So, our coffee beans are light roast Arabica.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Which would make the cup of coffee taste sour.
Oh, it's sour.
Sour, yes, but not bitter. Yeah, because...
Puno na yung mga window seats Diyan pa naman maganda mo po, window seats. Galing itong place na to. Uy, mayroon pang plant sa gitna. Tingin ko mas maganda tong coffee shop na to sa gabi with all the lights dito sa Antong.
Cup and relief.
This is the coffee already?
This is it? Yeah.
Just pour the cup here.
Oh wow,
Yes,
that's it.
I will pour. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll pour
Okay.
here.
Yeah.
Mine? Okay.
And with our coffee, you can see it's not many like flavor here.
Yes.
Right now, it hot. It will show you the flavor like the kiwi, the citronella, or the jasmine.
Okay.
But when it cooling down, it will change the flavor.
Yes.
Yeah,
okay.
you can really slowly to see the difference.
So
Right,
now hot. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
When it cooling down like 1 cup, it will change.
Oh, okay.
Right,
Okay.
enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Excuse me. Ganito lang pala kasimple ito, Berna, anong lasa? Sarap yung lasa, tinikman ko Ano tingin mo, ha? It's good, di ba? Grabe. 1,000 for... Ito 1,000 ito.
Oo.
Bale, naghati tayong dalawa.
So,
Okay.
now,
Oh.
this is yellow kiwi, citronella, and jasmine.
Anong
Mamaya,
jasmine?
when it's warm na,
Oh.
now it's hot. So when it's warm, it becomes rock melon, yellow kiwi, and custard apple. Iba na naman yung taste.
Ganun ba?
Lagay natin.
Nag-iiba pala yung lasa niyan. Okay. Hindi kami, may umalis. So dito na tayo uupo, Madam Berna. Okay. Aba, pwede rin palang upo dyan sa mga ponds, Galing ng ginawa nila dito, Upuan din pala yan,
Really do pour over.
She has
But
to,
I did
she has to
once.
smell first?
Yes.
Why you need to smell?
Because with the different style, it will show you very different flavor like it's dry and wet. Yeah, it will show the different flavor.
Oh, very good, Very unique,
Very good smell.
Okay.
Can smell?
Oh, you want to
No, it's okay. I
No,
just...
smell it, smell it.
I smell it?
Really good.
Okay. It's very fragrant.
Okay.
Like very fruity, floral.
Iba yung amoy, Very fragrant nga. Tsaka maganda yung ambience. Yung coffee, smell is good, ambience is good, everything's perfect. Berna, magkano ba yung coffee na in-order mo? Berna,
Melon and vanilla.
magkano yung coffee?
500,000 dong.
For a coffee, 500,000 dong? Grabe ka naman mag-order. Bakit naman ang mahal ang in-order mo? Bakit ang mahal? Kape lang yan,
Yeah.
Oh, just for the experience.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. May nag-order ng coffee. So, ibig sabihin they can afford to pay 500,000 dong for 1 cup. Magkano ba yung 500,000 dong sa pesos? That's about 1,000 pesos for 1 cup. 1,000 pesos for 1 cup of coffee. Unbelievable. Bakit mo pinagtabi, Mama? Ubusin mo na lahat?
Ano?
Pinagtabi mo?
Pinicturean ko lang.
Pinicturean mo lang.
Okay.
Okay.
So when it's warm,
Oh.
tapos mamaya, we have to make it cold para we know kung anong lasa niya pag cold siya.
Hindi, lalagyan natin ng yelo, ganun?
Yeah, lalagyan nila.
Okay. Ay, proseso pala yan. Oh, yun, lalagyan ng ice. Okay, thank you. Berna, lagyan mo na ng ice. Ganun pala yun. After a while, lalagyan mo ng ice daw. Hindi ako naka-experience ng ganito. May ice pala. After drinking it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so again, thank you for watching our vlogs. Rolly and Berna Baron here at An Thong, Da Nang, Vietnam.